The bent over, head supported dumbbell row is an excellent exercise for building the muscles of the upper back and the lats while providing extra stability to the torso and spine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and perform this exercise correctly so that you get the most out of every repetition. To begin, set an adjustable bench to approximately a 45-degree incline. Place one knee on the seat of the bench and position the opposite foot on the floor out to the side. It's important that the foot is in a nice wide stance and is aligned with the knee on the bench. If the foot is too close to the bench, one side of the pelvis will be slightly higher than the other, which affects both your stability and your spinal position during the exercise. We want the hips to stay level throughout the movement. Next, place the forearm on the incline bench and rest your forehead on the forearm. If your left knee is on the bench, your left forearm will be supported on the bench, while your right foot will remain on the floor in the wide stance. From here, lengthen the spine and maintain a neutral back position with a slight arch in the lower back. Rather than sitting your hips back, bring your torso forward so you feel your weight evenly distributed between the knee on the bench, the foot on the floor, and your forearm on the bench. Throughout the exercise, keep your head in contact with your forearm. Avoid lifting the head off the forearm as you row. Keeping the head supported helps to maintain a flat back, level shoulders, and creates more overall stability. Now grip the dumbbell with the free arm. Use a neutral grip, which means the palm of the hand is facing inwards towards the bench. To initiate the row, keep the arm straight by gently contracting the tricep and then pulling the shoulder blade back and down towards your back pocket. Once the shoulder blade is set, bend the elbow and row the dumbbell towards the bottom rib while keeping the elbow close to the body throughout the movement. Rather than thinking about pulling the hand up, think about driving your elbow behind your body. This cue helps you achieve a stronger contraction through the lat muscles. At the top of the movement, the elbow should finish slightly above the torso to achieve full contraction. As you row, keep your chest proud and push it forward towards the bench. Avoid letting the chest collapse or the upper back round. Maintaining this position allows for better alignment and a stronger contraction of the back muscles. Once you've reached the top of the row, slowly lower the dumbbell back down under control. Straighten the arm completely and allow the shoulder blade to relax before beginning the next repetition. Every repetition should follow the same sequence. Set the shoulder blade back and down, row the elbow behind the body, pause briefly at the top, then lower the dumbbell under control. Focus on quality movement and controlling the repetitions, and this exercise can be a fantastic tool for building a strong, muscular, and resistant upper back. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.